Hello students, welcome back to the class. In the last class we have discussed about secular state, okay, and unit 8 we have completed. In this we have discussed about the state which treats all the religions equally, or the state government when he is not interfering in the activity of any state, the state can be called as secular state. Now I will go forward. In this topic we will discuss about judicial review, what is meant by Senate and what is meant by Council of State. First one, when you are going forward, judicial review. Judicial reviews are nothing but checking the law. Judges have a right to check the law, whether these laws was formulated, whatever the laws which are formulated in legislature. So judges have an authority to check the law, okay, which are introduced by legislature. Now formally we can find this judicial review was implemented and introduced by America, USA, United States of America. They have implemented the judicial review and a part of judgment which are mainly provided by Supreme Court on the issue of Mulberry medicine. So this is a case, okay. After this what happened? So judicial review was implemented in India. So judges have given right to formulate whenever the laws which are implemented by legislature, because the judges have more knowledge about the law. In terms of law they have more rights. There are a jurists, they have a good knowledge about the law. So whenever if any laws are formulated in the parliament, if they feel that the particular laws are not suitable, then they have right. So they have right to make them to change the law, okay. So here if you see that judicial review was nothing but checking the law, whether the law is formulated by the legislature is good or not for the society. If the judiciary feel that these particular laws which are formulated by the legislature is not suitable, then they ask the legislature to change the law. So judiciary have right to change the law. If any judiciary feel that the particular laws are not suitable for the society, they can change the law. First, the judicial review was implemented in America. So as a part of judgment which are provided by the Supreme Court of America, which have issued Mulberry medicine, so which are not followed by other country. There are, this was not mainly followed by other country, but mainly the India is following this judicial review, okay. So judicial review in the sense they can review, and sometime if it is possible they can make some changes, okay, not only upon the legislature but also if the high court or the highest court, if they feel that whatever the judgment which are given by the lower court, okay, if the judgment is not suitable, then also they have right to change the judgment. So judicial reviews are nothing but reviewing, again rechecking it, okay, that is called as judicial review. Once again to review whether the particular law or whether the particular judgment or whether the law which are formulated by legislature, whether that is suitable to the society or not. If judiciary feel that no, that laws are not suitable for the society, then they will make the legislature to formulate and to make some changes in the law, okay. That rights are under the control of judiciary. Children, already we have seen that in America when the case are issued, so these judgment are mainly provided, judicially judgment are provided by the Supreme Court when they have issued a case which is called as Mulberry medicine. But mainly the judicial reviews are not followed in many countries, but in India we can find the judicial reviews are mainly followed. Senate, just like we have how we have Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, houses of government. So similarly in Senate is nothing but houses of government. In America we know that we have a Senate, that is houses of government, which approves and appoints appointment of judge, okay. So they have right to approve and they will appoint. They were mainly appointed by judges and they were mainly elected president. These senates have right to elect the president. Houses of Senate have right to elect the president. So they will elect the president and also they will structure judiciary, okay, in United States of America. These senates will structure the judiciary in United States of America. Once again, senates are nothing but houses of government. So these the members who are there in the Senate, they were also called as houses of government, and these are mainly approves the appointment of judges. So whatever the judges which are appointed in Supreme Court, who will approve that? Senate only will approve to appoint the judge. Similarly in India also, whenever the judges are appointed, most of the judges are mainly appointed by president on the consent of prime minister. But here the judges are mainly appointed only by the houses of government. When the houses of government will approve, then only the judges will be appointed, and houses of government only will elect the presidents, and they will structure the judiciary in United States of America. Next we'll go forward, Council of State children. Council of States are nothing but upper house. So just like in India how the Rajya Sabha is an upper house, the Council of State is an upper house of legislature of Switzerland, which is also called as Federal Assembly. Powers when it is under the control of central as well as state. When it is under the control of central, that is Federal Assembly, which is called in Switzerland, upper house in Switzerland is called as Council of State. Council of State is an upper house in Switzerland, which is also called as Federal Assembly. Okay. Similarly, Rajya Sabha is also called as Houses of Federal House, we'll say, upper house. Similarly, in Switzerland also the Council of State is an upper house in Switzerland, which is called as Federal House. Here we can find the member of Council of States are mainly elected by the Constitution of State. So whatever the members which are appointed, here in Council of States are mainly elected as a constituted of state. Okay, this is one point. These members act as the representative of state and central government. So these members act as a leader. Whatever the members which are selected in the Council of States these members will act as a leader, as a representative of state as well as central government. So they act as a leader in central state as well as central government. In India also we can find children's member of parliament. There are the representative. Similarly, here also the Council of States, whatever the members are there in Council of State in Switzerland, this act as a member of representative in state as well as central level. So what we have discussed here, we have discussed about the Council of State. The Council of State is an upper house. This is an upper house of legislature of Switzerland. We can find the member of this Council of States are mainly elected, and these are mainly constituted of state, and this member act as a representative of state as well as central government. So what we have discussed, children we have discussed mainly of three concepts. First we have discussed about judicial review, second thing we have discussed about Senate, and third thing we have discussed about Council of State. Now in judicial review we have discussed that in judicial reviews are nothing but the judges judicially have right to check whatever the laws which are, judicial reviews are nothing but review the law which are mainly formulated by legislature. Children, we already know 90% of whatever the laws are there, it is there in constitution, few laws are in constitution, and whatever the laws which are made, legislature only. So it is a responsibility of judiciary to check whether the particular laws which are made in legislature, whether that is suitable to the society or not. The concept of judicial reviews are mainly originated from America, USA we can find, and part of judgment which are mainly provided by Supreme Court on the issue of Mulberry medicine. This was not followed by many countries, but India is mainly following the judicial review. Senates are nothing but houses of government which approves the appointment of judges. The houses of government that approve the appointment of judges, that is called as Senate. Senates are mainly elected, they will elect the president, and also they structure the judiciary in United States of America. Council of States is nothing but an upper house of legislature of Switzerland. The member of Council of States are mainly they are mainly elected by the Constitution of State as per the constituted of state. This member, similarly how we have Rajya Sabha which is upper house of state, similarly in Switzerland Council of State is an upper house, it is also called as Federal Assembly. Similarly in India also the Rajya Sabha is called as the Houses of Federation will say. So here in Council of State also which is called as an upper house which is called as Federal Assembly. Now the members which are selected in the Council of States act as representative in state as well as central government. So this is the unit 11 children. In the next topic again we will discuss about few concept of unit 11. Thank you very much.